Hi, Year 9. I'm here to talk to you about why you should choose to study elective geography in Year 10. So first of all, what will you be studying in elective geography? So elective geography course is very contemporary. Now, what that means is you'll be learning about real life issues with a strong focus on case studies and what is happening in the world around you. So we really try to make it as relevant and as interesting as possible for you, focusing on things that are happening in the world around us right now. So in term one, we'll look at women of the world, which is looking at why women around the world often face issues. Maybe they're treated differently to men, what the impacts of that can be, and what can we do to help that. In term two, we look at Urban Living Lab, which is a brand new program, which I'm going to explain to you a bit more on the next slide. In term three, we look at geography of terrorism and geography of refugees, which is obviously incredibly topical at the moment, in the news a lot, and we focus on some really interesting case studies there and try and contextualize sorts of reasons why they're happening, what the impacts of these are, and what can be done to manage these issues. And in term four, we look at geography of a transect. So I mentioned a second ago about our Urban Living Lab. Now imagine going to school knowing that you're making an actual difference to the future of Sydney, the city that most of us call home, the lives of future generations, the environment, and the economy. Well, that's what you'll be doing when you participate in the Urban Living Lab project, which is no ordinary school project. So just recently, there was a historic signing of a partnership between Pymble Ladies College and Celestino, who are the company responsible for planning and developing a brand new city in Western Sydney called Sydney Science Park. So don't be misled by the name. It's not a science focused park, it's the name of the city itself. Now, what that means is that you will have the opportunity to collaborate with world class industry experts, participate in significant real world learning experiences, and receive access to equipment and mentors who will guide you as you make an actual contribution to the future of Sydney. So, this is an incredible opportunity, and it is one that is definitely not to be missed out on. In year 10, we also have some awesome excursions and incursions. So we have an incursion called Wow Day, which is part of our Role and Status of Women topic, where we get 4 guest speakers who come in and talk to you about the work that they do working for charities to try and improve the lives of women. Or we get ladies in who have faced impacts that we look at in class, and they'll share their experiences. So that's very, very interesting. And we have a couple of excursions. So as part of the Geography of Refugees topic, we'll visit Cabramatta in Western Sydney and looking at the influence of the Vietnamese refugees on the suburb there. And as part of the Sydney Science Park Urban Living Lab topic, you'll get the chance to go to Luddenham, which is in Western Sydney, the site of the new city. And you'll be collaborating with your mentors to conduct environmental testing and to investigate the site and how we can overcome some challenges that the developers will be facing when creating the new city. So really, really interesting. Moving into year 11, into stage 6, we have some awesome experiences there. So in year 11, we'll visit Bantry Bay, looking at biophysical interactions in the environment there. And in year 12, we have an overnight excursion to the Hunter Valley. Now, one thing that's really important to note is that it's not prerequisite to do year 11 geography to do elective geography. Okay, so if you don't choose to do elective geography next year, then it doesn't mean you can't do year 11 geography. But I can't understand why none of you would not be doing geography next year. So thanks for listening and see you all next year.